How to fix M02 error on Shopee. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pinmisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix M02 error on Shopee. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy for this video. In order to fix M02 error on Shopee, what you can do is simply go ahead, and now if you are doing it on web, you can simply close the web browser that you're using and reopen it, or you can switch to another web browser. However, if you're doing it on the application, then the easiest way is to simply head into your settings on your device. Once on settings, scroll down and head into apps. Under apps, now you can either scroll down or simply from the search bar you can look in for Shopee. Now once you open up Shopee, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on storage. Under storage, you should be able to find the option clear cache. First, you want to tap on clear cache and try and clear cache. However, if it doesn't help, you want to tap on clear data and then clear your data and then log in to Shopee once again, and it will fix the issue. So this is how you can fix Shopee M02 error. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.